What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome video for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new control tower from Tarmac Desgins. This one I've been wanting for a very long time. Did purchase this with my own money. Very excited here. You guys can get this at the link below here. I also offer a 5% discount with my link. It's like TP Alex or something like that. It is below here, guys. But here it is. We have our Sydney, Australia SYD airport control tower. Let me get this thing set down, guys, and let's get some details. As you can see, here is the control tower spinning here with its base. I really like that Tarmac Desgins includes bases with their control towers. It makes for a nice display piece. And honestly, even if you just want to display it, on your airport with the base on it, I don't know. To me, I was kind of against doing it for a while because I was like, oh, like, it's going to add, away from the realisticness of it, but I think it looks pretty cool, honestly. So, sorry for the camera shakiness here, guys. Here's some details on this. Super cool, super detailed. I like that they add the windows on the bottom of it here, too. That really adds a nice touch, as well as the yellow kind of windows, if you will, here. Super iconic control tower here. Honestly, this is in true 1:400 scale. It's just a lot smaller than I anticipated being in 1:400 scale, if that makes sense. But it's really cool to see like how big these towers are compared to each other, like in real life. And here they all are together here. Well, not all of them, but some of them. But you guys can see in real life in 1:400 scale how big they are compared to each other. So Orlando and Denver are massive control towers. San Francisco and Sydney come in pretty close. Sydney's actually not that big of a control tower. It looks big with the design. It looks massive. But still, guys, look at the size of these. But yeah, if you guys want to go pick one up, link in bio here. Super cool. I do want to do a Sydney airport one day. I guess that's the next question here. Well, no layouts or terminals are currently in the process or in the works right now. But I do think this tower is really cool. So I'll get some shots with this tower in the background and some planes just for a little diorama for now. But who knows what could lead in the future here, guys. So we'll leave it at that for now. But again, guys, thank you for watching my video here. Model Airport Nation here. We're still finishing up the Frankfurt layout here. As you guys can see, I already got half of it done. So sneak peek for you guys watching right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. So here's a sneak peek. I will be getting a Frankfurt layout too from No Point Airport. They are based in the Netherlands. So that's really cool. So yeah, basically I'm just going to build this terminal for now. And we'll take some cool pictures with it. And then we will go forth with the layout. So stay tuned for that, guys. Until then, guys, go check out Tarmac Desgins. Link in the bio here. 5% off code as well. They also offer amazing terminals like the T-Bit you see behind me. Super cool. So go check them out. Until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video. And happy collecting.